The EcoTec floor foam insulation kit is designed to insulate underneath carpets, laminates and timber flooring. At only 4mm thick, this product is proven to save on space, cost and installation time compared to traditional methods underneath the flooring. The main benefit of this product is that it can be easily installed directly on top of existing wooden or concrete floors without the requirement of raising the floor. Floor foam consists of 2 layers of highly reflective true aluminium foil, which help reflect heat back into your home whilst effectively repelling the cold away. The 4mm high density PE foam membrane helps prevent cold bridging whilst adding an additional thermal barrier. The product also works as a vapour control layer when it is used alongside the Thermoseal foil joining tape. This is provided free of charge in the kit. Start by simply rolling out the floor foam to the approximate length of the room before stapling into place. Repeat this process across the whole of the room and ensure the floor foam is buttered up against the skirting, against the door frame and also the adjacent layer. You can then trim around the edges to remove any excess materials. After the whole room is covered with the floor foam, then proceed to tape all butt joints and the perimeter to make a complete seal using the Thermoseal foil joining tape provided. Doing so will help the product eliminate drafts, moisture and prevent cold from rising into your home. If installing onto a concrete floor, we would recommend either a non-solvent glue or Thermoseal double-sided tape to fix into place. You can then start to lay your carpet, laminate or wooden flooring underlay in accordance to the manufacturer's recommendations. EcoTec floor foam is supplied in a 30 square metre kit which consists of a 1.2 by 25 metre roll. Eco Home Insulation provides free next working day delivery on all floor foam orders delivered to the UK mainland. We also offer discounted carriage rates throughout Europe. Eco Home Insulation also offers high-performing, low-cost solutions for the following: roofs, walls, floors, conservatories, summer houses, sheds, motorhomes, static caravans, boats, shipping containers and many more. You can inquire and purchase online by clicking on the description below, or alternatively, please visit ecohome-insulation.co.uk.